Phase 3 of my weekend meal prep. I've got 400 milliliters of room temperature coffee in my containers. I add a half scoop of Keto Collagen by Perfect Keto. There's the half scoop. I add a half scoop of Isopure zero carb protein. This one's cookies and cream. Half scoop. Then I add a half of a package. It's upside down. Hang on. Half a package of Element chocolate salt electrolytes. I just kind of feel about where they start and about where's halfway. It might be a little over half, but that's fine. Then we come over to here and I add a squirt of one of these sugar-free coffee syrups. And I go whoop. And then last ingredient is unsweet vanilla almond milk. Do not add the powder ingredients if your coffee is hot. Oh, it makes it clump up and it's gross. So now I make all 6 of these. Here they are, all ready to go. So in the mornings, I'll start sipping on them as I'm getting ready. Before I leave, I add some ice and sometimes a little extra of the almond milk. And then as I get about that far down, while I'm at work, I add water to it, because I'm weird. So that is the final phase of my meal prep this weekend. Throughout the day, I usually have some type of Relight electrolytes, and I have my Mios right here for adding to my yogurts or my water. So, yep, that's the final phase of meal prep this weekend.